This is a review of the Alaga Indoor Security Camera. That's 5 gigabytes, 2.4 gig Wi-Fi, 3K 360 pin. That pretty much is for your indoor use, for your to take care of your pets and animals or anything that you want to monitor. And it does also have a Google Assistant as well too. And it pretty much includes also Alexa as well too. So we got a whole lot of features, and we're gonna unbox this and show you guys what you get in this package. So without going any further, let's get down to this video and unbox this package. Okay, so I'm gonna go test this out just to test fit it to see if it works. So pretty much we're just gonna wait and just see how. So you can see it's doing the configuration, and there's the app that you download that's available for Android and Apple. So you go to the App Store and you download that app. So pretty much it's doing.
Please use the app for Wi-Fi configuration.
So it's telling you to please use the app to configure it, and we're gonna go do that. I believe it's the app called Care Pro. You download that in the App Store, and then from there, it's gonna go pretty much. You have to put your information, log in, and then from there, you should be able to use this indoor camera and monitor pretty much everything. But yeah, we're gonna go download the app and see how well this thing works. Okay, so there are a few things I do want to mention. It offers a two-way audio, AO human detection, and micro SD card, and cloud as well too. Auto tracking, instant notification, multi-user manual, night vision, which is very highly important. Bluetooth connection is easy setup, a dual band wireless, and a pan-tilt control, so you can control it to however your liking is. And that's some of the information that I want to conclude in this video. But yeah, we're gonna pretty much connect this to the App Store, to that Care Pro app that you download, and it works for Android and Apple, and you download that, and then from there you pretty much, it's a plug and play, and just connect it to your camera, and it should be working after that then. Okay, so right from here, we have it connected to our Wi-Fi system that you see right over here. So I have it on top of here to demonstrate and show you guys on how it exactly operates and works. So once you put the configuration, you create your account, your password, you input all that, you should be able to log in, and it should say Wi-Fi and security successful. Once it says that, then it pretty much, you can see it's in blue and red, and it should be connecting. Now I'm gonna in a minute, I'm gonna be showing you guys in the phone app, like what exactly shows, like how good the quality of this indoor camera is, and I'm going to be showing you guys that on how how crispy the quality is. So yeah, in this video we're going to go conclude that and show you guys how good the quality is. Okay, so one of the main key points I want to present about this indoor camera is that you could also talk through it, and we have someone that's going to go say hello and test it out to see how clear and good quality of this indoor camera is. So yeah, you could say what you have to say.
Hello? Hello?
So you can see here that the quality is very crispy, and you can hear very clear of, when someone says hello or anything. So that's one of the cool key points about this, that you can also talk through it just like you do in a regular security camera for outdoors. So that is one of the cool, huge pluses about this indoor camera, is that you can pretty much do that. Now you can also do night vision as well too. So you go in your settings of the Cam Pro app, and then from there you go to night vision as well too, so it does that too. So in the dark it's going to show that. So if you, let's say for example, if you have this camera facing in the front of your window, then you could pretty much monitor and treat this as the same thing like a security camera, which is also a cool thing to do, which I probably do plan on doing that at some point. So you can use this to monitor the outdoor of your home as well too, and put it like pretty much like behind the window, so you can do that as well too. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys on how good the quality is, and how the quality is it's pretty insane for how small this camera is. It's a good quality camera. So this camera offers iCloud, so you can use it as a backup storage, so to see your previous anything that it captures. And right from here you can see that it also has a collaboration mode. You can have a night vision mode. It does all sorts of stuff. You could have a screenshot. You can see here that the quality of this is it's very high quality for an indoor camera. I would highly recommend this camera, and you can see I have it on a housekeeping camera, so to take care of your pets or pretty much the inside of your home, so you can have that as well too. Like I do mention before, you can also have this on your window as well too, so you treat this as a regular camera, security camera, and monitor the outside of your home and your property. But yeah, I would highly recommend this Alaga Indoor Security Camera because of how it really is. The quality of this is really amazing, and it could pretty be used for all sorts of things, and not just for your pet keeping and your pet safe, but you can use this also as a security camera. So I would definitely and highly recommend this camera. And like you see here, it offers like a night vision. It offers like a light bulb as well too, for a flash. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this indoor security camera.